I am Julian Vasquez. I am Angela Almasin.
I'm Badilaw ninyo. I am Aaron Majadora.
And we are the Group 5.
The first problem is all about the trolley problem, the switch Philippa Foot 1967. A runaway trolley is heading toward 5 trucks workers who will be killed. You are standing next to a lever that can divert the trolley onto a side track, where only one person is working. Do you pull the lever, killing one to save 5, or do nothing and let 5 die? And now let's have the response of the interviewee.
According to Maria Lalaine de la Serna from Bachelor of Science in Industrial Engineering, he responds, no. The reason I would not pull the lever because I don't want anyone to die. If possible, I would try to warn the workers or find a way to stop the trolley so everyone could be safe. I believe it better try saving all of them rather than choosing who should die. Second response, Kayla May C. Butler, BSA Math. He responds, no. The reason, even if 5 people will be saved, pushing someone intentionally is wrong. It is not morally acceptable for me. The third sponsor, Maria Ispin Malacao, BIT Garment. He responds, the reason I will not pull the lever because wala kay moral na katungod nga mag-decision di ang mamatay even if 5 people will be saved. Ako gihapon na may hinungdan sa kamatayon sa usa ka inosenteng tao para nako killing an innocent person even for good outcome sa youth gihapon dili just sakto.
This is the second scenario. The trolley problem, the large man put in. Judith Jarvis, Thompson, 1985. The scenario is, a runaway trolley is leading toward 5 people. You are on a footbridge over the tracks next to a very large stranger. The only way to stop the trolley is to push the stranger up the bridge, killing him but saving the 5. Do you push the man to save the 5? Let's have the response of the interview.
According to Maria Lalaine N. de la Serna, Bachelor of Science in Industrial Engineering, her response is no. The reason is I would not push him because it is different from pulling a lever. Pushing someone means I am personally causing his death. I would feel guilty for the rest of my life if I did that. The second sponsor is Shikaila May C. Butler, BSF Math. Her response is no. The reason is dili ko muko sa lakin kay murag ako jud ang directly muko sa iyang kamatayon. Even if 5 people will be saved, dili na ko kaya nga ako ang magdesisyon sa iyang The second sponsor is Kayla May C. Butler, BSF Math. Her response is no. Reason is dili ko muko sa lakin kay murag ako jud ang directly muko sa iyang kamatayon. Even if 5 people will be saved, dili na ko kaya nga ako ang magdesisyon na siya ang mamatay. And the third sponsor is Maria Christine Malacao, BIT Garments. Her response is no. The reason is this is different from the liver scenario. Dili ako mismo ang tulod niya, knowing that he will die because of my actions. For me, that is not morally right. Bisan pa og 5 ang maluwas.